Does the number 67 mean anything to you? Over on TikTok it does. The number 67 for some reason is everywhere. I can't do a live stream without it showing up. But when you do a Google search, nobody else knows either what it's all about. But I know. It's all about peas. 67 reasons to eat 67 green peas a day. 1. Green peas are tiny heroes packed with protein. 2. Every pea you eat means one less animal suffering. 3. Peas don't scream when you harvest them. 4. Peas give you fiber for a healthy gut microbiome. 5. They grow straight from the earth. No slaughterhouses involved. 6. Peas are proof that plants can power your muscles. 7. 7. Peas contain compassion in every pod. 8. They help your digestion instead of destroying your conscience. 9. Peas contain less than 1% fat. 10. They're round and green, like the planet we're trying to save. 11. Eating peas helps the soil stay healthy. 12. They're rich in vitamins, not violence. 13. Peas are meant to be food. 14. They have iron and zinc, no blood or tears. 15. Peas don't mind being eaten. 16. Peas help fight climate change more than any steak ever could. 17. They're affordable, accessible, and cruelty-free. 18. You can grow them yourself. No cages required. 19. Peas don't beg for mercy. 20. They make your meals colorful instead of covered in corpses. 21. Peas remind us that food can be joyful, not tragic. 22. They're little green circles of peace. 23. Peas don't need antibiotics or hormones. 24. They won't clog your arteries. Oh, hi, Bella. 25. Peas contain love, not cholesterol. 26. Eating peas means no babies torn from their mothers. 27. Peas are fuel for empathy. 28. They help you feel light, not guilty. 29. Peas are the ultimate fast food from nature. 30. Oops. They help balance your blood sugar naturally. Now I'm going to poke this pea, but remember, peas don't feel pain. They don't have a brain. 31. Peas are proof you don't need flesh to flourish. 32. They're good for your heart and your heart's moral compass. 33. Peas don't require chains, knives, or branding irons. 34. They make a great snack for your kid's lunchbox. 35. Peas make every plate a protest against cruelty. 36. They contain plant-based protein that builds, not destroys. 37. Peas grow from sunshine and rain without any pain. 38. Eating them supports sustainable farming. 39. Peas are proof that ethics and nutrition go hand in hand. 40. Peas are low in calories. These ones are frozen, and you can just snack on them instead of chips while you watch TV. 41. You probably heard of oat milk, but did you know there's milk that's also made out of peas? 42. They're nature's green gems of gratitude. 43. No one dies for your dinner when you eat peas. 44. Peas help restore balance to our broken food system. 45. They're quiet but powerful, like kindness itself. 46. Peas remind us that life doesn't have to end for us to eat. 47. They nourish without nightmares. 48. Peas are the protein of peace. 49. They never had a mother's eyes looking up in terror. 50. Peas are the future of food. 51. They symbolize hope, tiny seeds that can grow into change. 52. They're delicious without destruction. 53. Oop. Peas protect your health while protecting lives. Getting near you. 54. They're the color of compassion and chlorophyll. 55. Peas help prevent cancer and cruelty at the same time. 56. They're sweet because no one had to suffer for them. 57. Peas teach us that small things can make a huge difference. 58. They don't scream, they sprout. 59. Peas are kind to your body, kind to animals, and kind to the earth. 60. They prove that veganism isn't a sacrifice, it's a celebration. 61. They contain all 9 essential amino acids. 62. They connect you to nature, not to violence. 63. Peas help you sleep better with a clear conscience. 64. They're affordable. Compassion in a pod. 65. They're tasty, tender, and totally ethical. 66. Every pea is a reminder that peace begins on your plate. 67. That's why I have always said, eat your 67 peas a day for the animals, for the planet, and for your soul. Ooh. Did you ever wonder how many tablespoons of peas it takes to eat 67 of them each day? Well, let's find out. I have some tablespoons here. Let's put these on. If you like this kind of video, if you find it relaxing and you'd like me to do more, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video in the future. Peas grow in something called pods, where there are about 2 or 3 of them. If you're vegan and you'd like to be in a vegan pod, what that means is that you work closely with somebody and you write 3 comments in their comments section every time they post a video. And they do the same for you. This helps to grow everybody's accounts, and it also helps to educate people about veganism and that it's really not about food. It's about ending the exploitation of innocent animals. Well, there you go. 67 peas are only 3 tablespoons. Some hiding. Do you feel like eating these? I do. I love green peas, even when they're not cooked, just out of the freezer like this. Nature's little candies. If you find value in my work, subscribe, press the notification bell, and become a channel member. Thank you for being here today. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.